In the still of the night, the whispers arise. Cleverman speaks, unveiling the skies, telling tales of the infinite, the Creator's embrace, how the universe sparked from a sacred place. But even the stars need a guiding light. Cleverman teaches as the stories unfold. DreamTimeSoldiers rise with wisdom untold. Together we gather the knowledge we see. The Creator and nature, together we speak. From the cosmic seeds, Mother Nature grows. In the heart of the earth, where the life force flows. Together they dance in a symphony grand, building a world with a masterful hand. In harmony they weave, in union they stand. Cleverman teaches as the stories unfold. With the stories, DreamTimeSoldiers rise with wisdom untold. With wisdom untold, together we gather the knowledge we see. The Creator and nature, together we speak. So let us remember we're not alone. With heart and spirit, we've all got a home. We've all got a home. Cleverman teaches as the stories unfold. DreamTimeSoldiers rise with wisdom untold. Together we gather the knowledge we seek. The Creator and nature, together we speak. Creator we speak. So let us remember we're not alone. With heart and spirit, we've all got a home.